We have some breaking news coming in, and this is footage that we're getting you live from the national capital, New Delhi, where massive protests are taking place outside the Bangladesh High Commission. Hindu outfits are holding a huge protest, as you can see. Many have converged in numbers. They are attempting to break barricades there, and this is over the death of a Hindu youth who was killed in Bangladesh. There's been a lathi charge protest as well. A Hindu man's lynching by an Islamist mob has renewed concerns, of course, for minorities, as fresh violence has also gripped Bangladesh after the death of a prominent anti-India radical leader. Deepu Chandra Das, who worked at a garment factory in Bangladesh, was beaten to death, and this is the reaction on the ground here in the national capital. We have Anushka joining us live on that story. She is outside the Bangladesh High Commission. Anushka, just take us through what you're seeing around you. We believe that these protesters have broken some barricades as well outside the Bangladesh High Commission.
That's right, Vedika. We are barely 700 meters away from the Bangladesh High Commission, where the VHP, that is the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, has been protesting. They have broken two layers of barricadings. As of yet, we can clearly see the kind of, the kind of security that can be seen here. The Delhi police forces and the paramilitary forces have, in fact, kept 4 layers of barricading every few meters so that the protesters can be stopped here. Clearly, the people are quite agitated over the situation of Hindus in Bangladesh. They have said that this needs to be stopped and the government needs to take some action towards what has happened in Bangladesh. They are carrying the posters and placards here where they have clearly said that the kind of situation of Hindus in Bangladesh is quite worrying, and that something should be done, and this situation should be in fact contained there. Many of the people have brought the effigies of Bangladesh in their hands and are currently trying to in fact also burn the effigies here at the Chanakyapuri area where the protest is in fact right now going on. We'll also try to talk to some of the people who are right here protesting. सर, आपका नाम क्या है?
रमन भारद्वाज।
जिस तरीके से आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या कुछ मांगे हैं आपकी?
देखिए, सबसे पहली मांग तो ये है कि हिंदुओं का पे जो अत्याचार हो रहा है उसको रोका जाए, उसके ऊपर एक्शन लिया जाए। कहीं भी किसी इस तरह का प्रदर्शन हो रहा है तो उस पर साथ दें, सरकार हमारा साथ दे। हम कोई हत्या करने नहीं आए हैं, वहाँ पे तो हत्या हो गई है, हिंदुओं की हत्या हो रही है। उसको हम कैसे प्रोटेस्ट करें? शांतिपूर्ण प्रोटेस्ट करना चाह रहे हैं, हम श्री राम का नाम लेके आगे बढ़ना चाह रहे हैं, तो हमें रोका जा रहा है। ये बैरिकेड लगा दिए गए हैं, देखिए आप लोग।
आपका नाम क्या है सर? आपका नाम क्या है?
विश्व हिंदू परिषद से हूँ मैं।
क्या कहेंगे? प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं आप, क्या कुछ मांगे हैं आपकी?
हिंदू की सुरक्षा।
और जैसे हम देख रहे हैं कि आप लोग दीपू दास को लेकर के जस्टिस मांग रहे हैं, और क्या क्या मांगे जिस हिसाब के हालात देखने को मिल रहे हैं इस वक्त बांग्लादेश में?
किसी भी कंडीशन पे हिंदू सुरक्षित होना चाहिए, चाहे साम दान दंड भेद कुछ भी इस्तेमाल करना पड़े, लेकिन हिंदू सुरक्षित होना चाहिए।
We are seeing a massive crowd that has gathered here at the Chanakyapuri area where the Bangladesh High Commission is situated. I'll ask my camera person to pan the camera and show you the visuals, the second layer of barricading that the people here are trying to topple over. There's a scuffle that is going on between the protesters and the Delhi police. They are trying to burn the effigies just outside the barricading, and also we are seeing the Delhi police who's trying to hold the fort here so that the protesters could not go ahead of this particular area, because Bangladesh High Commission is at a very high security zone, and we are showing the visuals of how the protesters are trying to break the second layer of barricading here. They are constantly trying to march towards the Bangladesh High Commission. They have marched from the very end of this road and have in fact reached here very near, very close to the Bangladesh High Commission. We'll also try to show you the visuals of what is currently happening here, the kind of visuals that can be seen here. Massive protest that has been going on, and the people here, the people from the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, clearly asking for justice over what has happened in Bangladesh, the lives of Hindus that was in fact lost there. They're asking that the government should take necessary steps to ensure that the Hindu population in Bangladesh is safeguarded, and the situation should not be seen again where the Hindus living in Bangladesh should be targeted like this, like what has happened here in the past few days after this whole situation, this whole violence in fact took place in Bangladesh. That is why we are seeing the kind of protest here at the Chanakyapuri area outside outside, barely 700 meters away from the Bangladesh High Commission. Over to you.
Let's just tell our viewers why these protests are taking place. A Hindu called Deepu Chandra Das, who worked at a garment factory in Bangladesh, was beaten to death on Thursday night for allegedly insulting Islam, while some violent protesters demanding justice for the assassination of Usman Sharif Hadi vandalized key landmarks over hundreds of kilometers away in Dhaka. Now, after Das's lynching, his lifeless body was tied to a tree and set on fire, with dozens of people seen celebrating the barbarity. The lynching, Anushka, of Deepu Das has now drawn attention to the plight of minorities in Bangladesh.
That's right. We are seeing the VHP has in fact started the protest here today. The call for this protest was given 3 days back, and the VHP had asked everybody and had in fact appealed to everybody to join this protest in large numbers. We are seeing this is not just VHP but also Bajrang Dal, which has joined hands here. And I'll request my camera person to pan around and show you the visuals of how people are holding placards and effigies in their hands and are protesting here, asking that some kind of cognizance should be taken against what has happened in Bangladesh. Many people have lost their lives. We'll also try to talk to a few more people who have come here to protest. Sir, आपका नाम क्या है?
मोदी सरकार ही काम तो पूरे वर्ल्ड में आवाज़ उठानी चाहिए। इस अत्याचार हिंदू के अत्याचार कर रहे हैं बांग्लादेश में, तो वर्ल्ड में बात उठानी चाहिए मोदी जी को। ये हमारी दरख्वास्त है।
आपका नाम क्या है सर? आपका नाम क्या है?
राजकुमार।
अच्छा, आप यहाँ प्रदर्शन करने आए हैं, क्या कुछ मांगे हैं आपकी?
हम तो जो बांग्लादेश में हमारे भाइयों की हत्या हो रही है उनको रोका जाए। इतना अत्याचार नहीं होना चाहिए। अगर यहाँ उनके ऊपर अत्याचार होगा तो क्या हाल होगा फिर उनका? जो हमारे देश में भी है मुसलमान भाई है, अगर उनके ऊपर ऐसा अत्याचार हो तो वो क्या कहेंगे फिर? तो वहाँ की सरकार को होश में आना चाहिए।
आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम है जय नारायण आर्य। हमारा कहना इतना ही है कि हम अगर मान लो विनम्र आदमी हैं और हमारा धर्म हमें ये कहता है, जो कि इकलौता धर्म है और बाकी मज़हब है, मज़हब और धर्म में बहुत फ़र्क होता है। हमने ड्रामा कर रखा है हमारे देश के कुछ लोगों ने कि धर्म और मज़हब बराबर होते हैं या सब धर्म बराबर होते हैं। धर्म होते नहीं बराबर, धर्म इकलौता है, बराबर क्या करोगे इसका? मज़हब वालों ने सारा राक्षसी प्रवृत्ति के लोग हैं वो। अच्छा ये बताओ, कोई भी उनके अच्छे गुण बता दो मुस्लिमों के एक पे।
We are showing you the kind of protest that is right now taking place barely 700 meters away from the Bangladesh High Commission, where the Vishwa Hindu Parishad has said that they want justice for what has happened to Deepu Das, and not just Deepu Das but also several of the Hindu minorities are exploited there. The kind of violence that is taking place against the Hindus there needs to be seen and also heard about what is in fact going on. The government should take necessary steps to safeguard the rights of the minorities in Bangladesh, the Hindus who are right now being exploited and are constantly targeted because of the situation that can be seen there. I'll once again ask my camera person to pan the camera around. We can see hundreds of people who have gathered here for the protest. This protest is in fact right now going on from the past half an hour, and we have seen that the protesters have broken the first layer of barricading and right now are trying to topple the second layer of barricading as well. We'll also show you the visuals of the scuffle that has been happening between the Delhi police and the protesters as they are trying to break the second layer of barricading. They are trying to burn the effigy of Bangladesh here as well. We are showing you, the effigy that they have brought together here, the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, that is right now, in fact, trying to protest here against the violence that has in fact happened on the Hindu minorities in Bangladesh. Over to you, Vedika.
Anushka, you stay safe while those protests are on. We do know now that the first barricade has been broken by those protesters on your screens. Anushka, this is turning out to be a bit of a security concern as well. The first barricade broken. Can you tell us about the security deployment in and around the area from where you stand?
That's right, Vedika, because I'm at right now at Chanakyapuri, and this is a very high-profile security zone where the Delhi police is constantly trying to safeguard the situation here. I'll request my camera person to pan around and show some visuals as well. From here, barely 700 meters away, the Bangladesh High Commission is situated, and we'll first show you the visuals of the effigy that has been burnt here by the protesters. This is the effigy where it was written that Bangladesh should in fact take cognizance of the situation that has happened there. They have burnt the effigy of Bangladesh, and the protesters are right now the protesters are right now, in fact, asking for the situation to be managed and the government to take cognizance of what has happened in Bangladesh. Clearly, the visuals of the effigy burning that can be seen here, and we are also showing you the posters that the people have in fact brought together. They have written here that all eyes on Bangladeshi Hindus. Not just that, they're also saying that save Hindus of Bangladesh. Also, if my camera person could in fact pan around and show you the visuals of the effigy that has right now been burned by the protesters, this whole situation is turning out to be a bit of a security issue because the first layer of barricading has been broken, and now the people have burned the effigies and they are trying to march towards the Bangladesh High Commission. The visuals of the effigy burning that the viewers can see on their screen currently, the posters of the posters that are right now being burnt here can clearly be seen on the screen. The pictures of how they are in fact trying to ask justice for what has happened in Bangladesh for Deepu Das and his sacrifice that was in fact made there. He was tragically killed in the violence that broke out in Bangladesh. We can see the protesters who are trying to jump the barricading here. They are burning the posters and the effigies that they had brought together here along with them, and we are showing you how the Delhi police is trying to manage the situation. This is the last layer of barricading that has been kept in place. More than 100 police personnel have been deployed here so that the situation can be kept in control. The paramilitary forces, the CISF police personnel, all of them are present here. A bus has been kept here so that this barricading can be manned, and if people manage to break this barricading, they can be stopped here because this is a security zone, high profile security zone where many of the embassies are situated, and the visuals of how the protesters have just now burned the effigy and are burning the posters here of several people, which we are showing you on screen as to how people are right now in fact burning the effigies and trying to ask justice for what has happened in Bangladesh and the situation of minorities in Bangladesh. Over to you, Vidya.
Anushka, stay safe. I'm also going to go across to Tejshri, who joins me live from the very same spot. We're trying to get you different vantage points of what's happening on the ground. Tejshri joining me live. Tejshri, just take it over. Tell us what you see around you. There's anger building up against Bangladesh. We know that the ties between the two countries, India and Bangladesh, at this time remain tense, while there has been a fresh wave of unrest in Bangladesh, and we're seeing that anger around you. Just take us through what you can see.
Well, absolutely. Let me tell you, we are standing on the other side of the barricades, and we'll also speak to this individual these all individuals who have been protesting over here so as to what they have to say on this entire matter and what are their demands. Sir, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? क्या demands?
भारत के अंदर अवैध बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठिए बाहर होने चाहिए और वहाँ की तत्कालीन सरकार जो कट्टरपंथियों की कठपुतली बनी हुई है हाथों की, और वहाँ आए दिन हिंदुओं पे हमले, हिंदू बहनों के बलात्कार, हिंदू घरों में आगजनी खबरें सुनने को मिलती हैं।
आपका ये प्रोटेस्ट कब तक जारी रहेगा? देख रहे हैं तमाम लोग यहाँ पर इकट्ठे हुए हैं।
ये सारे हमारे कार्यकर्ता हैं बजरंग दल के, ये हिंदुओं का दर्द बांटने के लिए आए हैं और हमारी मांग यही है कि भारत की सरकार उनके कट्टरपंथी सरकार के खिलाफ डिप्लोमेटिक दबाव बनाए, हिंदू हत्याएं वहाँ बंद हो और अवैध बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठी भारत से बाहर हो।
बांग्लादेश में नरसंहार जिस तरह से हो रहा है उस पर क्या कहते हैं?
ममता बनर्जी उसको बाहर निकाले।
बांग्लादेश में नरसंहार हो रहा है
उसमें ये कह रहे हैं हम तो जो बांग्लादेश और पाकिस्तान भारत का हिस्सा थे 200 साल पहले से, 200 साल पहले का इतिहास निकाल लेते हैं।
लेकिन आपका ये प्रदर्शन कब तक जारी रहेगा?
ये जब तक जारी रहेगा जब तक घुसपैठिया भारत से बाहर नहीं जाएंगे और ये बांग्लादेश में।
बताइए क्या कब तक आप लोग प्रदर्शन? So you can see now they are also trying to break the second layer of barricade. First layer of barricade has already been broken. That side continuously sloganeering is going on, and now they are trying to jump this barricade. We'll also try to speak to those individuals who are holding the placards in their hands and what they have to say. Let us also see हिंदू जीवन की रक्षा हमारी प्राथमिकता। त्रिशूल लिए खड़े हैं आप।
बिल्कुल। अब सिंदूर पार्ट 2 की शुरुआत बांग्लादेश से करने जा रहे हैं। हिंदू जाग गया है और इन्हें सबक सिखा के दम लेंगे। अब युद्ध होगा। महाभारत काल से भी
यहाँ से आप क्या संदेश देना चाह रहे हैं?
जो संदेश महाभारत काल में भागवत गीता में श्री कृष्ण ने दिया था, वही संदेश लेकर और वही युद्ध की शुरुआत करेंगे इस जिहादियों को खत्म करके।
All eyes on Bangladesh Hindus.
हमें जो हिंदुओं को डराया जा रहा है ना, पे हिंदुओं को मार मार के, ये हिंदू धर्म इतना कमजोर नहीं है।
खून का बदला खून से लेंगे.
सिंदूर
See now you can also see that multiple layers of barricading has been done because it's just near the High Commission. They are just protesting within the very close vicinity of High Commission, and now they will also try to push this particular barricade as well because one layer of barricading has already been crossed. Because you can also see that poster that they are holding in their hand. एक ही नारा, हिंदू सुरक्षित हो हमारा, बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठी भारत छोड़ो. These are multiple posters. You can also see the chants of Jai Shri Ram, which could be heard over here from this very particular site of protest. Needs to be seen what happens next. We'll also try to show these security arrangements that have been made over here. Multiple layer of securities. The Delhi police personnel have also come here to, join the protest. I beg your pardon, to, maintain the security over here. And in fact, we'll also show the visuals as to what is a very unique picture over here. So one of the individual is also in fact coming over here to participate in the protest for the kind of atrocities that are happening in those. Let us speak to them because he is specially able individual, and he has come with here. He has come over here along with his what can we say, this family members are also over here is what he was telling us. But again, till the time we speak to him, we'll keep on showing you the visuals as to what is happening on my right hand side. Continuous sloganeering is taking place. And also let me tell you that days after Hindu worker Deepu Chandra Das was set on fire, being lynched in Bangladesh, his family has claimed that 27-year-old was killed over workplace rivalry rather than any alleged blasphemous remark. That is what his family has been stating. Also remember that Deepu Chandra Das was killed by a mob last week, and when we saw that there was an unrest following the death of the student leader Sharif Osman Hadi, who was a prominent face in anti-government protests that led to this entire ouster of former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. And that is why in fact we have been seeing the manner in which the protests are taking place. Needs to be seen, that what happens next as far as these protests are concerned, because the protesters say that they are not going to stop. They will continue all these protests till the time they don't get justice.